Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand one of the important string function, that is substring index. When you are working with the strings, you do get multiple varieties of strings. Like one of them is URLs, or another is you have the IP address. So when you have URLs or you have IP addresses, you do have delimiters to separate the some of the parts of the strings. There are situations where you have to extract a part of a string based on a specific index or based on specific position of a delimiter. That can be done by substring index function. Let us say this is a string. This whole thing is a string consisting of some part of the string. This is a part with a delimiter dot here. This is one more part with another delimiter. What if I want to extract only this part or only this part for some purposes? So substring index will help us to do that. Substring index returns a substring of a string before a specified number of delimiter occurs. We'll see that with the syntax. What is the syntax for this? Substring index function takes three arguments: 1, 2, 3. First one is the string itself. The second one is a delimiter. The third one is the number of times to search for the delimiter. How many times this delimiter need to occur in the string what we are trying to extract is mentioned as a part of the third argument. Some of the important aspects before we take an example. This function returns a substring from the left of the final delimiter when a positive number is specified as a part of the argument. If you specify the negative number, it returns a substring from the right of the final delimiter. It will be explicit with an example. In case if you specify the greater than the number of occurrence of a delimiter, it returns the whole string. If you specify 0, then nothing will be fetched from the string. Let's take an example here. If you look at the way we are using the substring index, this is a function, this is a string with delimiters, and we have to specify the delimiter also. This may vary. Here it is a dot, somewhere it may be a star, it may be dollar. It depends on the string which you are working on. Then you have to specify the delimiter, and also you have to specify the number of times the delimiter has to occur to extract a string. So with this, it is saying give me the string where delimiter has occurred twice. That will give us www.gmail. If you specify a negative number as a part of the argument, instead of getting the string from the left to right, it will get the string from the right to left, right? That is how it behaves if you specify the negative number. If you want a string to be extracted from right to left, provide the negative number. If you want string to be extracted from left to right, provide the positive number. We can also use substring index to extract the substrings from the values in a different columns in a table. So here we have 3 columns, and third column happens to be a website URL. Now the way we can apply here is website is the column name. Here this is the website. I am passing that as an argument to a function. Then delimiter is dot, and I want 2 times the delimiter need to be repeated. Then we'll get this particular result. So since it is a positive number, it extracts this part, this part, this part, right? So that is how it behaves. If you provide the negative number, what will happen is it will give from the right to left. So instead of giving this part of the string, it will give this part of the string. Wonderful. We'll see all these things as a part of the hands-on. Thank you.